So a lot of you have been asking for an update from the fire, and we got a bunch pulled out. We're waiting to haul in dirt. And then still got a little bit of this line to replace in our RV lines, but we got the bathroom redone. And the laundry room's redone. And that's what's left of the 2 trailers. Gotta haul that to the scrap yard. Got it all cut up and in a pile. And we have the beautiful bathroom redone. Thanks to Frank for getting some tile and new shower, new light. And yeah, just about ready for RV time. Anyways, that's the update. The tree looks like it's coming back. Palo Verde is trying to come back, but it's got a lot of mistletoe in it now. We shall see. And then, yeah, hopefully soon, by next year, hopefully we'll have 3 RV spaces.